Next sound is m, moon. We write moon between two black lines. Come down, go up and hop. Go up and hop. Next sound is n. Write n sound between two black lines. Come down, go up and hop. Next sound is O, orange. Firstly, we write O orange between two black lines. We first will make kha and join the dots. O, orange. Next sound is P, parrot. We write P, parrot. Second black line. Come down, down and turn around between two black lines. P. Next sound is K. We make firstly K between two black lines. K, make a K, go up, come down, down and turn a little bit. Next sound is R. We make R sound between two black lines. Come down, go up and turn a little. Next sound is S. We write sounds between two black lines. Turn a little, go down, turn a little, go up. Snack. Next sound is T. We write T sound from red line to black line. Firstly, we make a leaf, come down, down and turn a little. Then cross a line across. Next sound is a umbrella. We write a umbrella between two black lines. Come down, turn a little, go up and come down. A umbrella. Next sound is V. We write V sound between two black lines. Slant down, slant up. Next sound is V. We write V sound between two black lines. Slant down, slant up. Slant down, slant up. Next sound is S. S. We write sound between two black lines. Slant down and cut the line. X, X-ray. Write ear sound from black line to red line. Slant down, slant down and down. Our next and last sound is Z, zip. We write Z sound between two black lines. Go to right, slant down, go to right. Zip. Thank you all.